So what is the place of supply for restaurant and catering services? So there is two type. One is a restaurant, then is catering service. Restaurant is a place, everything is done. So place where you eat is restaurant service. Catering service, something is been done in your place. So place where it is been served. So Section 12 4, 12 subsection 4 of IGST Act provides that the place of supply of service shall be located where the service are actually performed in respect of restaurant and catering services, personal grooming, fitness, beauty, treatment, healthcare service, including cosmetic and plastic surgery. Is a service actually performed? Where has it been services performed? That is important. Example, beauty residents in Delhi goes to Mumbai for plastic surgery. The place of supply is plastic surgery is in Mumbai, not the Delhi. Okay. So she may be resident in Mumbai, Delhi, but she came to Mumbai and Mumbai where the cosmetic surgery is being taken place. So the place of supply is where the service has been done. What are the services? Healthcare services, cosmetic service, plastic surgery, beauty treatment, grooming, personal grooming, catering service, restaurant for everything. This is the section 12 4.